now I will give you some ideas about the activity 1 of unit 2. Students, as you can watch it on your screen, there is an activity 1. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આ પ્રવૃત્તિને વધારે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ બનાવવા માટે અમે પાઠ્યપુસ્તકની ઉપરાંતની ઘણી બધી સામગ્રીનું આયોજન આ એપિસોડમાં કરેલું છે આપના માટે. આ એક્ટિવિટીમાં રૂટીનની વાત છે, દૈનિક ક્રિયાઓની વાત છે. આપ સૌ જાણો છો કે તમારું અને મારું જે ડેઇલી રૂટીન છે, જે દૈનિક ક્રિયાઓ છે એ અલગ અલગ છે. તમારી દૈનિક ક્રિયા તમારા માતા પિતાની દૈનિક ક્રિયાથી અલગ છે.
Now friends, I have something very interesting for you. Let's watch it. Friends, what is it? Yes, you are right. It is a calendar. And these are the days of a week. The first is in red color. It is Sunday. રજા માણવાની મજા પડે ને? Then it is Monday. The next day is Tuesday. Then Wednesday. The next is Thursday. Then Friday. And last one is Saturday. તો મિત્રો, આપણા અઠવાડિયાના 7 વાર થયા ને? અગાઉ મેં તમને કહ્યું એમ, today is the date 18. So yesterday it was 17 and tomorrow will be the 19th. મજા આવી ને?
Hello students, I hope you all are fine and ready to learn English. Let's start. બાળકો, તમે રોજ સવારે વહેલા ઉઠો છો અને તૈયાર થઈ અને શાળાએ આવો છો. એવી જ રીતે શાળાએ ભણી અને ઘરે જાઓ છો, પછી મિત્રો સાથે રમો છો. આવી જ રીતે હું પણ તમને ભણાવવા શાળાએ રોજ આવું છું અને જઈને મારું ઘરનું કામ કરું છું. આમ આપણા બધાનું જ એક રૂટીન હોય છે. તો આવું ડેઇલી રૂટીન આપણે કંજનું જાણીએ. તમારી સ્ક્રીન પર કંજના જુદા જુદા ચિત્રો આવશે. હી ઇઝ કંજ.
Kanj gets up at around 7 o'clock every day.
Kanj brushes his teeth and he takes bath. Kanj prays to God every day and then
He takes his breakfast at around 9 o'clock every day. After taking breakfast, Kanj goes to office at around 10 o'clock every day. In the office, he meets his clients. Kanj completes his work and goes back to home at around 5:30 p.m. Kanj likes cooking and he works with his wife in the kitchen. Kanj regularly goes to bed at around 10 o'clock. Friends, we have seen Kanj's daily routine. At what time does Kanj get up every day? Yes, Payal, you tell me. Ajay, give me the answer. Yes, Kanj gets up daily at around 7 a.m. in the morning. At what time does he take his breakfast? Who will give me the answer? Yes, you sitting in the middle. Yes, you're correct. Kanj takes his breakfast at around 9 a.m. in the morning. Children, tell me one thing. Do you all go to school on Sunday? Yes, Ajay. Do you go to school on Sunday? How about you, Radha? Yes, we do not go to school on Sunday because Sunday is a holiday. Similarly, Kanj also does not go to office on Sundays. His activities on Sunday are something different. Let us now see what Kanj did last Sunday. Observe it carefully. Friends, every day Kanj gets up at 7 a.m. in the morning. Did you see the clock? The clock is showing what time? Yes, it is 7 a.m. Let us see what he did on last Sunday. Last Sunday, Kanj got up at around 8 a.m. Did you notice? Every day he gets up at 7 a.m. But on last Sunday, he got up at 8 a.m. Friends, observe the clock. What is the time in the clock? Yes, it is 9 o'clock. But is it 9 o'clock in the morning or 9 o'clock in the night? Yes, if the activity is a morning activity, we say as 9 a.m. And if the activity is related to night, we say as 9 p.m. Kanj takes his breakfast at around 9 a.m. every day. Now let's see at what time did he take his breakfast on last Sunday. Last Sunday, Kanj took his breakfast at around 10:30 a.m. Did you observe? Every day he takes his breakfast at 9 a.m. But on last Sunday, he took his breakfast at 10:30 a.m. Friends, we saw that Kanj gets up at around 7 a.m. He takes his breakfast at 9 a.m. and he goes to his office. But observe this, last Sunday he did some other different activity. What was it? Last Sunday, Kanj played chess with his friends. See, every day Kanj does not play any game, but last Sunday he played chess. Kanj played chess game with his friends on last Sunday. Now let's see what he did after that. Friends, we all know that Kanj comes back from office daily at around 5:30 p.m. in the evening. Observe the clock. The time in the clock shows that it is 5:30. Let's see what Kanj did at 5:30. Yes, every day Kanj generally goes back home at 5:30 p.m. in the evening. See children, It is his evening activity. So we say it as 5:30 p.m. Now let's see at what time did he come back home on last Sunday. Last Sunday, Kanj came back home very late. At what time? At 10:45 p.m. That means in the night at 10:45 he came back home. See, usually every day he comes back home at what time? Yes, at 5:30 p.m. But on last Sunday, at what time did he come back? Yes, he came back home at around 10:45 p.m. Kanj came back to home at around 10:45 p.m. Friends, every day Kanj goes to bed at what time in the night? Do you remember that? Yes, give me the answer. Correct. Every day Kanj goes to bed for sleep at around 10 p.m. But let us see at what time did he go to bed on last Sunday. Observe the clock. Yes, the clock shows 11 o'clock. That means last Sunday Kanj went to bed at around 11 p.m. Is it clear, friend?
Activity 1. Students, today we will learn about days of the week. Let's see the calendar and do one activity. Today is Wednesday. I am in this classroom today. I have books on my table. I am busy. It was Sunday 3 days ago. I was at home on Sunday. I had no notebooks. I went to the library in the afternoon. I had guests in the evening. I hope you understood, students. Now you all make some sentences by your own.
Let us together fill these blanks.